Hello and welcome to the session. Developing Organizational Vision and Strategic Direction. LO3. Understand how to implement the vision and strategic direction within the organization. What defines leadership and its role in an organization? Leadership is a process where an executive directs, guides, and influences others towards specific goals. This video explores how leadership behaviors inspire action and how strategic direction is set within organizations. Leadership is about guiding others towards goals. It involves influence and direction. Leaders inspire through vision. Their behavior causes others to act. Leadership is crucial for organizational success. Strategic direction involves understanding the environment. It guides organizational planning. It's crucial for adapting to changes. Strategic planning documents the organization's path. It aligns vision with action. Different leadership styles impact vision promotion. Transformational leadership is key. It motivates and inspires. Leaders build strong relationships. This leads to high performance. Embedding vision requires continuous communication. Recruitment should focus on vision-aligned behaviors. Induction programs reinforce vision. Training ensures alignment with strategic goals. Team meetings foster a sense of belonging. It focuses on patient engagement. It integrates care services. This ensures vision alignment. Cotter's model helps embed vision. It starts with identifying change needs. A guiding team is formed. Vision is reset based on changes. Management interprets the new vision. Vision must be turned into actionable objectives. Objectives are specific, measurable, and time-bound. They guide strategic direction. Priorities are set to reflect the vision. Action steps are established. Strategic planning is essential for success. It involves setting actions to reach goals. Current situation analysis is the first step. Stakeholder feedback is crucial. It informs the planning process. SWOT analysis identifies strategic issues. It assesses internal and external environments. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats are evaluated. This informs strategic goals. It ensures organizational alignment. Competency analysis is vital. It identifies skill gaps. Training addresses these gaps. It ensures workforce alignment with goals. This supports strategic success. Strategic goals tackle identified issues. They are developed post-SWOT analysis. Goals direct efforts to solve problems. They align with organizational vision. Objectives are set to achieve these goals. Monitoring ensures strategic alignment. Evaluation tracks progress. It involves periodic reviews. Internal and external parties participate. This keeps the organization on track. Royal London Hospital uses strategic planning. It aims to be a leading care provider. Goals focus on world-class care. Objectives include training and efficiency. Fundraising supports financial stability. Audits assess organizational position. SWOT analysis informs goals. Financial situation may pose challenges. Research improves performance. Environmental audits guide vision verification. Strategic planning involves research. It builds organizational vision. Partnerships improve services. Financial management is crucial. Weaknesses are minimized for better outcomes. Resource optimization reduces waste. Cost allocation is maximized. Evaluation informs strategy. Periodic reviews ensure success. Industry changes are incorporated. In conclusion, understanding how to implement the organizational vision and strategic direction is essential for turning plans into action. Implementation involves aligning policies, resources, and operational activities with the vision, as well as engaging and motivating employees at all levels. Effective leadership, clear objectives, and regular monitoring ensure that the strategic direction is embedded into everyday practice. Understanding this process supports consistency, accountability, and the successful achievement of organizational goals. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616888.